In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile logo to your Gumroad account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. Adding a profile logo to your Gumroad account is a straightforward process, and it can give your profile that polished look it needs. So whether you're an artist, a writer, or anyone looking to sell products online, having a recognizable logo will help you establish your brand. First things first, let's head over to the Gumroad website. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to enter your credentials and get into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, which is where all your essential settings and options are located. Now look at the left side of your dashboard. You should see a menu. What you want to do next is find the option that says Profile. Click on that. This is where you'll be able to customize how your account appears to your audience. In the Profile section, you'll see different fields that you can fill out. This includes your name, bio, and the main thing we're interested in today, your profile photo or logo. If you already have a logo uploaded but want to change it, you'll see it displayed here. If so, you're going to need to delete the previous one. Look for a little icon or link that says Delete next to your current photo. Click that, and it will remove your old logo. Don't worry, it's a simple process and only takes a second. Once you've removed the old logo, the next step is to upload the new one that you want to use. Make sure that you have your new logo ready and saved on your computer for easy access. There should be an option that says Upload or Change Photo. Go ahead and click that. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer's files. Navigate to the folder where you saved the logo you want to use. Once you find it, click on it to select, and then hit the Open button on that window. Your logo should start uploading to your Gumroad account. Now, depending on the size and file type, it may take a moment for the upload to complete. If it's a large file or in an incompatible format, you might receive an error message. In that case, ensure that your logo is in a suitable format like JPG or PNG and is not too large in file size. Once the new logo has successfully uploaded, you should see it displayed in the profile section. Take a moment to admire how it looks. This is your chance to make your profile truly yours. After you're satisfied with how your logo appears, the final step is to save your changes. Look for a button that says Save at the bottom or top of the profile section. Click on that to confirm your changes. And just like that, you have a brand new logo for your Gumroad account. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference when it comes to how your audience perceives your brand. A professional-looking logo can help you stand out and attract more customers. That wraps up our process for today. Remember, taking just a few moments to personalize your Gumroad account can significantly impact your online presence and brand recognition. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your profile logo on Gumroad.